Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be talking about cloning to solid state drives. We had a customer, their machine came in and it was having issues with the fan. We got it all cleaned up, got it working okay, but they were still running on a traditional spinning drive. Now, if you look at the load times and the responsiveness that you get with a traditional drive, you will definitely benefit by upgrading to a solid state drive, especially if you're using it for gaming or you need anything with performance. Now, we're actually going to clone to a solid state, and we're going to show you the differential speed and performance and responsiveness of the laptop once we've actually done the clone. Impress is running a promotion at the moment where we can offer you a free clone with a virus removal. Plus, we're going to throw in a solid state drive, all for the price of $199. So instead of paying for virus removal or paying for a clone, you're going to get one of those for free, and we're going to throw in a free 250 gig solid state drive. If you need more than 250, you just pay the difference between a 250 and a 500, or a 250 and a 1 terabyte. Now, as you can see, we're still sitting here and we're waiting for it to come up. Those traditional spinning drives just take a long time. Once it also boots up, we're going to look at the responsiveness of just generally opening up a file. So give me one moment while I boot this thing up. Okay, so it's coming up. Now we're waiting. We're still waiting for everything to load. It's still coming. And now I want to see how much space the customer's using. And it's definitely not really responding like it should. Still waiting. Okay. And you can see how slow it is and how unresponsive it is just trying to get it up. And this particular customer is using 284 gigs, so they're going to need a 500 gig. If you like that speed, if you like that instantaneous response, upgrade to a solid state. We're running that promotion for the next 10 days. Give us a call, 281-647-9977.